Hi everyone, this is Anthony from Precision Fitness. I would like to introduce today the Luxmaster 2-section portable massage bed. This bed in front of me here, as you'll see, has got a nice rounded front and back section to it. And this is the face hole, which I'll show you in a moment. But what I'm going to do is just come around to the front of the bed and show you where all the accessories are packed. So if we open the bed out, alright, we can clearly see where everything is packed, and this here is the front arm shelf, and here we have the horseshoe face cradle, and the bracket is behind it, and neatly packed in this section are the two armrests. So what I'm going to do is take all the accessories out and show you how they all fit into the bed. So firstly, we'll take out the face cradle and the bracket. I'm going to put that one side. Then we're going to remove the front arm shelf here. And then I'm going to remove the two armrests, which are packed like so. You're just going to take those out for a moment. What I'll do now is straighten the bed out into this position, so it's easy to tilt the bed onto its feet. So all you have to do is you can put your foot on the end of the bed leg, and just use the handle and just pull it over to get the bed into a straight position. And now you can see the bed is nicely set up and ready for use. Right, so here we have the Luxmaster 2 section ready for use. First of all, we'll start with the removable face plug. I'm just going to put that back for now and show you first of all where all the accessories fit. You'll notice on the side here are the two holes for the armrests. Your face cradle bracket will go into these two holes here, and obviously on the opposite side we've got the two holes for the other armrest, and that's really where all the accessories fit. So I'm just going to go through those briefly so you can see how it all fits together. And I'm going to start with the face cradle, because you'll need to notice how this particular bracket is adjustable in various directions. So all we do is we just place it into these holes, get it into a position like this. You'll see the lever on the right hand side. You can also tilt, when this lever is loose, you can tilt the bracket and get it into the position that you need for your massage. It can also come up and tilt, and once it's into that position, you literally take the lever and you lock the whole bracket into place. Now we place the soft part of the bracket. It's on a Velcro, so it fits neatly onto this top section just like so, and that's now strong and ready for use. Then we're going to add in the two armrests, which slide into the sides like so. And that now adds the additional width to your bed. The one other accessory that I'm going to show you is what we call the front arm shelf. Now this shelf is designed to go underneath this bracket, and it's designed for client comfort. So it literally works like this. If we turn it upside down to start off with, these two pieces are adjustable, so you can set the length whether you want the shelf down or up. If we pull the shelf out and we place it this way around, you're going to take each strap and you're going to position it like this, because it needs to hang inside the bracket. That is all that is required. We're going to place it back into the front of the bed, and there it is. So literally what you have is a bed that when you lie on the bed, you have a situation where your client's arms can now rest on the shelf. Right. One of the other features of the Luxmaster series, and just a reminder that this is the 2 section because it has 2 sections to the bed. We also have the other model, which is the 3 section, and that has an adjustable backrest and it has a square look to it. But there's a nice feature of this bed being the round ends on both sides. 2 things to that is, one, it reduces the overall weight of the bed, the carrying weight, and secondly, from a therapist's perspective, it's really nice to be able to work around the bed when you have a client in front of you. So it's really, really practical to move around the bed and give you a lighter, more practical bed on the go. Right, I'm going to now run through the final few little features of the bed, and as you can see, I'm really comfortable on this bed, and I'm going to jump off quickly and show you the rest of the features. And by the way, you'll notice where I've been sitting, that is how comfortable this bed is. It's got a really, really nice padding, which makes it a good, comfortable lying position for your client when they're having the massage. Just briefly to mention, the shape of this bed, as you can see clearly, is one of its features and just makes it a really nice practical part of the bed to be able to move around on both ends when you have a client. So it's a really unusual looking shape but very practical. So the bed is still a good length and a good width. It's a 70 centimeter wide bed, so there's more than enough width to the bed. And what I'd like to show you quickly is how to adjust the height of the bed for the therapist. And as you know, you want a bed that's at a decent height for you so that you don't strain your back. And to do that, we need to just drop the bed onto its side. And I'm going to just quickly loosen the legs. And you remove the leg as easily as that. And you use the adjustment holes, and remember that this has got a groove in the bed on both sides so that it makes it secure and it doesn't move. It's very, very secure once in position. And to do that, we just place it back like that, put the little screws back on again, and make sure that they're tight. And we'll just put the other one on quickly. It's that quick, and that bed is really, really stable. To be able to put the bed back together, you just move the legs in, and remember that when you pack your accessories, they need to be accurately placed or the legs won't close. So we just put this back together again, move the bed into this position, we then close it, and you'll see the 2 little clips here. Once in position, you would just close both clips. And remember that this bed is really, really light to carry for your therapist. It's one of the lighter beds that we've had, and it also then fits into your heavy canvas carry bag, which has the shoulder strap, and that shoulder strap would go over your shoulder and your carry handle, and your bed is neatly packed into the bag, and off you go for your massage. This is Anthony from Precision Fitness on the Luxmaster 2-section bed. Enjoy your bed. Have a good day.